question 36. Across a period, the metallic properties of elements decrease and non-metallic properties increase. What is the best reason for this? So under periodic table, right, when we talk about metallic properties, we are referring to the tendency to lose electrons. And for non-metallic properties, we are referring to the tendency to gain electrons. So as I move from left to right across a period, you have your group 1, group 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and group 0. So take note, the group number, it tells you the number of valence electrons. So for group 1, you would have 1 valence electrons, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. Okay, so for group 1 metals, right, to achieve a stable noble gas configuration or a completely filled valence shell, you can either lose the 1 valence electrons or you gain 7 electrons. Which one would I prefer, right? To lose electrons. Okay, I'd rather lose the 1 electrons than to gain 7 electrons. Same for group 2, I would rather lose 2 electrons than to gain 6. Okay, I'd rather lose 3 than to gain 5. And for group 5 onwards, right? Okay, so I have 5 valence electrons. To achieve a completely filled valence shell, I either gain 3 or I lose 5 electrons. Which one would I choose? I would rather gain 3. For group 6, since I have 6 valence electrons, I would rather gain 2 than to lose 6. And for group 7, right, I would rather gain 1 electron than to lose 7. So can you see that as I move from left to right across the period, the tendency to lose electrons decrease and the tendency to gain electrons increase. So that's why we say that the metallic properties, it decreases, non-metallic properties increases across the period. Okay, so what is the best reason for this? We're going to explain in terms of the number of valence electrons, because from left to right, there is an increase in the number of valence electrons. So answer is option D. Okay,